We're going to use the BA2 Plus here to calculate the present value of an annuity due. Now this is an annuity due because the cash flows are occurring at the beginning of every period. Notice we have $100 at the beginning of year 1. We have $100 at the beginning of year 2 and $100 at the beginning of year 3. Notice even though this $100 occurs under the 2 tag, it's $100 also at the beginning of this year that runs from 2 to 3. The discount rate is 10%, and this is a 3-year annuity. So the first thing we have to do is set our calculator to do annuity due calculations, which means that we have to set it to second and then hit this PMT function up there at the top. It says BGN, which means beginning of period. Second BGN, and then it says end right now, which means that it's set for that. And we would like to turn it to begin, so we do second enter, or actually it's that set here. That set is telling you to do set. Second enter, second set. And now we are at setting it to do annuity calculations at the beginning of the period, and it says BGN there. So 3 is equal to N. 10% is the interest rate. We don't have a present value. That's what we want to calculate. $100 is the payment, and we don't have a future value because that's what we want to calculate. And now let's do compute present value, and we have 273.55. So notice it's a negative number, which means that you would have to pay $273.55 right now in order to receive 3 $100 payments. The first one right now, the next one a year from now, and then the third one a year from that again. Now, since most of your problems will probably be ordinary annuity problems, I suggest that once you have done an annuity due problem, you set this back to ordinary annuity calculations, which means that you do the same series of steps, second, and then hit the same thing, begin, and then second set, and that's now turning it to end. If you hit clear, you'll notice there's nothing here in the upper right hand corner. It's just ordinary annuities.